Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the DJI FPV Drone.
FPV, if you didn't know, stands for First Person View. This is DJI's first FPV drone, and this package we're going to be unboxing today is the DJI FPV Combo, which is the base package.
Since it's an FPV drone, it comes with a goggle that gives you that first person view. If you've ever played Call of Duty, you know what that looks like. Now without further ado,
let's get into it.
It's tightly wrapped, so it's hard to open.
Oh, I'm excited.
Me too. Thank you.
There's some wrapping on the bottom here too. There.
Okay. There's still some tape. Okay, you can peel this with your finger. They made it like that.
There.
Wow. That looks nice. The goggles and the drone itself looks very nice. The drone's quite heavy, and the goggles, are the goggles heavy too?
Fairly.
Let's lift this.
You see, and here is the remote control. It looks very nice, actually.
It looks like a gaming controller, like the PlayStation 4 controller.
And it's quite light. It's nice to hold on to. It's not difficult in any way. The buttons are quite clear on what they're meant to do. You can record some stuff here. I'm not really sure what this is.
That's the antenna.
Ah, so this would be like the antenna with the controller. Yeah, it's pretty nice overall. It's a nice grey colour too, and it has the DJI logo right here.
So, it comes with two sets of propellers. They're very thin and fragile, I can feel that. And I like how they painted the tips red. So that's nice. And let's see. I'm not very sure how to open this. I think like this. So you can see the drone now. And
this is where the propellers go, which there should be like one on each thing, so 4 in total. And this humongous block here is just the battery, which I think actually makes up most of the weight.
So obviously the drone itself is mostly a battery, and
that makes it quite heavy.
It's the bottom of the drone.
It makes me worried that it might fall out of the sky or something just in the middle of it because of how heavy it is.
And considering the fact that the propellers are actually quite fragile and light, you don't really think it's going to carry the drone on its own, so it's kind of cool. And
now this is the DJI Mini 2. As you can tell, it's smaller than this one, evidently lighter. And it's also portable because, well, you can fold it. So it's nice, it's small. You can take it anywhere you want.
I can probably fit in my pocket.
Yeah. So as you can see, it's just really nice. It's light. Compared to this one, most definitely.
Yeah, but I would prefer this one. This one's the real deal. Like, it looks really, really serious. That just looks like a toy.
Yeah, fair enough.
That little kids carry around.
So the controllers are quite the opposite actually. The DJI Mini 2 controller, which is this one, is quite bulky. It's like a big block. So it's fairly heavier compared to this one.
Yeah, and this one looks more like a gaming controller, and obviously it fits into your hand better than that one.
Yeah.
So yeah, I prefer this one over that one. Yeah.
So guys, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Listen to this. Look at that. I love the lights on it.